Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've done like a sit-down vlog, but this one requires a bit more chatting and give you some context. So we traveled all the way to Dubai, and one of the main reasons was because I needed to get my residency, because I'm officially now a Dubai resident. It's actually been in a process for the last few years. I didn't really want to talk about it until it actually happened, and the way I obtained my visa was through property. So I will share that a little bit sooner. But I got my golden card residency and I'm very excited. We flew to Dubai together with Johnny, and he's never been to Dubai. I've only actually been to Dubai like twice, I think three years ago. I went there, I was gonna move there, and I was in such a bad state, and I'm glad that I didn't really stay there, because now I get to experience this with Johnny fully. And Dubai is like next level, you know. It's like you come in there and you're like in 2070. We only had a few days, but the worst thing that happened is that we both got really sick. I actually got sick first, and it kind of happened straight after Paris. And now looking back at it now, I understand we both had COVID, like really bad form of COVID. And this just, because it just didn't feel like a normal cold to me, because it was weird. Like I had no fever, but I was coughing really bad, like really bad. Like I could feel like it was hurting like my lungs and my throat. And then he got sick as well. And so to be honest, like 4 days in Dubai, like 3 days out of 4 we spent in bed pretty much. And I had everything planned for us. I was gonna go and do some dunes, I was gonna go and do some boat tour, and I planned everything to have fun, but we didn't do anything. We just went to get my documents, and it was pretty stressful, but it worked out in the end, and which was amazing. So I'm very excited, because we're actually gonna go and live in Dubai for about a month. We're gonna move there and we're gonna see if we like it. And yeah, so 1 month is probably going to be enough to know if it's my place or not my place. And we're going to move to an area called Dubai Hills, which is like the green family orientated sort of area next to the Dubai Hills Mall. So there's like so much to do, you know. So I'm very excited. It's a crazy city. We obviously went now in summer, and it was like 45 degrees Celsius, which is very hot. And I don't think many people live there at this time, and we wouldn't either. In fact, like right now we're trying to figure out where we can find 2 countries where we could live in, and like one of them being sort of the winter home. So we spent 6 months there, and then the summer home where we spent 6 months there. So sort of like summer and spring, and a bit of autumn, and then autumn and the whole winter, and a bit of spring in the second home. And for winter home, I find it so much easier. You know, we have Dubai, we have Mexico, we have Thailand potentially, which we're going to as well very soon. And yeah, like, so we're basically gonna check out all these places to see which is our place where we can potentially live. And so I'm excited about Dubai. To be honest, like, Dubai spoils you. Like, I go to a coffee shop, they give me a present. All the staff, all the people were so lovely. They're like so friendly. The service is like top level. And at the very basic, like even supermarket, the taxi driver, they're all so like nice and positive, but not in like a fake way. I don't know how to explain it. If you've never been to Dubai, you will get it when you get here. So yeah, it's amazing. So that was really cool. And we went to visit the Future Museum. That's one thing that I didn't want to cancel, and we did it on our last day just before our flight. And yeah, it was wild. It's like all the taxi robots are in a process of being developed. So it's like taxi Uber, flying Uber or whatever, and it's already been tested, so it's coming in 2026, which is wild. And just like obviously loads of new buildings and futuristic sort of look and style. Dubai is obviously going in a very different direction, and they have all the like, it's all like built in the desert. It's crazy, you know, like the infrastructure. And it's always like, just baffles me, like how does that even work, you know? So yeah, that's the plan with Dubai. So I didn't really film too much, because like I said, we stayed at home, ate croissants and watched movies, because I was very sick, and so was he. And we are better now. Like I think for anybody who is getting sick and stuff, we're taking a lot of supplements, because I'm taking care of his health, my health. So I think it still hit us, but it didn't like, we weren't obviously really bad. Like it was just like weakness and a bit of sore throat. And you know, I'm sure like if I didn't take any supplements already and our immune system was weaker, it probably hit us much worse. But definitely take like double zinc 1000 mg, then take vitamin C, I meant 1000 mg, then take double zinc. Basically take loads of vitamins like those to support the immune system way before grapefruit seed extract. I actually have Amazon page with all the supplements that I take to take care of myself, my sister, and my now husband. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short little vlog, and let me know if you have been to Dubai, if you haven't, and if you'd like to go. But we're gonna go there, probably celebrate New Year's, and I think I've got a lot of friends in Dubai, so I'm gonna make some meetings next time I go, and I'm just excited to explore the city because we haven't really explored it fully, but the potential is just insane. It's just insane. And of course, since I'm in Dubai, I can't not mention my new Viral Dubai course. It's got 12 desserts, which are all Dubai themed. If you don't know what Dubai chocolate desserts is, it's basically very viral type of video, went well, viral. It's a chocolate kadaifi with pistachio pastry, super delicious, crunchy, creamy, and chocolatey. So based on this trend, I was like, this has to be a thing. I created 12 mouth-watering desserts, which you can learn and make yourself, and of course sell them as well if you're planning to sell or you're already selling. But this is crazy, like bars are being sold by, you know, $30–40 depending on location you are. And if you're good, if you actually make like real recipes like the ones that I teach you, you're gonna be the top in the market. So I'm opening my waitlist. I think is already closed, so I have just the webinar left. So you want to just sign up for the webinar. It's completely free, and in the webinar I will tell you everything about this viral Dubai trend. Why did it become trendy? How does it work? Marketing, and of course the flavor. Why do people go crazy about it, and why there's been so many viral videos filmed on it? And honestly, you don't want to miss out. I'm doing a free webinar, and I'm also going to give you a free pistachio and raspberry brulee recipe for everybody who shows up. So all you need to do is sign up. It's free. Put your name and your email address. Make sure you put the right email address, because a lot of the times people misspell it and then they don't get the recipe or the webinar link and stuff like that. So don't be that person. Got this butterfly pistachio croissant. I mean, it looks insane. I'm gonna break it and show you. So you go to a brunch place in Dubai, and then you get like a whole box of presents. Isn't this adorable? I don't know what's inside. Ordered a coffee from a robot machine. It's gonna be interesting. My coffee, Johnny's coffee. Thanks, Robot Truck Dubai 2071 with flying taxi.
Look at all those drones.
Oh my god.
Come out here, and then we are scanning this part of the drum. So just hold it.
Crazy.
See how
you can use the classifications on the floor to guide you.
all the spider species is already launching these helicopter taxis literally next year, 2026. We're in the Future Museum of Dubai, and that's going to be a drone that's going to deliver stuff. Сколько тебе лет?
У меня нет возраста, как у человека, но я здесь, чтобы помочь вам.
Top of museum.
That's cool.
Oh wow.
Yeah, the level for this upper.
Is it big levels too?
Later than by the.
Yeah, they're like
This
double.
also thing.
Going up in that thing.
Explain
Okay, big moment today. Can't let it control all the details. We're actually in a future museum as well, which is very funny because this is my future. I'm officially a resident of Dubai.
Very cool.
That's crazy. Johnny ordering perfume. So you do a test based on your personality and it creates your scent. That's cool. And that was it. Like I said, it's super short. The last video, Johnny got some perfumes made for him, so that was crazy. And our next destination is actually Greece, and then we're moving to Albania. So we're just stopping in Greece for one day, and then we're going to Albania. So I'm very excited to see what Albania is gonna bring. And yeah, it's one of the countries that we're gonna, you know, discover, and we've heard so many amazing things about it. So let's see. Hopefully it's awesome. Mwah. See you.